Welcome to Makeup Therapy. I'm Manuela. I'm a last day 44 years old mom of two girls who like makeup, and makeup is my art therapy. And you can see I have a makeup. I have a makeup with this palette. It's Bosque Nuboso de Monteverde, if I see very well, and I don't. However, this is this beautiful palette from Nomad Cosmetics. This palette is running on the summer sale and it's so worthy to pick. It's like 30% off, or if you are bundled with the other palette, the African theme, it's like 35. Worthy to have it. I will show you the looks. I'm doing the looks like 3 days with this palette, and this palette is one of my favorites from them. I really think that it's like so great when you're using it. It's becoming better and better. It's that kind of palette that you know, it's a little bit like a rabbit hole. You're starting and then you want more and more and more and more and more and more and more, and you know. So I want to do some funky look, so I will wash this one. This one I was just running the day. It was like a quick morning look, mom's look, and I will do something different, yeah, with this color. If you're interested what I will figure out now, please stay with me. I prime my eyes with the Plouise Base Rumour 03, and I glue some tape from Revolution cosmetic tape. My brows are made with the pencil from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the brow pencil, graffiti, something like that. Something like that color, just a normal pencil. And I will start. I want to just make two sections, that's why I put the line kind of. I want to make something interesting. Well, let's see, or we will make anything interesting, but it's uncomfortable what I have now on my eyes. I can tell you it's uncomfortable. But let's follow the vision. I have some very small vision, so very little vision of the look. And I want to start with the blue shade here, this one. Oh my god, blue. What is blue? I don't know what. I'm sorry. I have very bad vision, whoever watched me for the first time. So I will be showing you the colors. That's my easiest way to... I know that you need to pay attention, but maybe I will put extra efforts today and I will write the name of the shades. I will try see how much is my time. I'm a single mom, so I didn't put this tape till the ends. Man, that's the mistake, but okay, I will follow the grade of the tape here, because what I want to have like some smart line here on the top, kind of. So this is like a starter, this blue. I think this blue can go also under the eye. Very pretty shade. It's like a warm blue. Blue, which is easy meeting with the green. I use this color not once, so I know that I really like it. It's a beautiful shade. And I think that lid will be like here. It will be more green situation in a minute, because this palette is really greenish. It is greenish. So it's blue for the start. I was using this palette today in the morning, and I have some blues even on the brushes, and other colors too. But where is the one which I was choosing? It was from... It's the one. Oh, I messed up. I just put my brush somewhere else. Okay. So here I have a green from this palette and from the morning. So how to use this? This is the green, which is just a side of the blue, the happy kind of bluish tone green. This one. There's also like green with the brown and brown. This palette is so gorgeous. So when I was buying this palette, that was like I got it also on sale. I didn't get it as a first launch, and why I didn't get it at the first, and why I'm not getting all the time the palettes from Nomad, It's because this is a US brand, which I adore. I love all of things which I bought from them, and with a big love, like seriously. But I try to make a smart decisions with the palettes which are coming from US because of the shipping cost, and that is just my main concern. That, you know, I'm living in UK, and here we have also a bunch nice, gorgeous companies who does makeup, who does eyeshadows, and I'm trying to buy from them first. Just think that this has much more sense in general to buy local, so like friendly for planet. And I know that anyway, the number of eyeshadows that I have, it's not anything like being friendly, but at least I want to be a little bit conscious about it. I'm not any great one with that, but seriously, I always think about it. Like my second thought is that they really need that. I will go now to the Happy Green. Happy Green shade needed to have a new brush because I don't have that one. I didn't use that one, and it's this one here, the Happy light green, like more intensive, more, oh my god, neon even, I would say. Like that kind of green you can meet just in the really warm area in our globe. Living here in UK, I don't see this much that kind of green. We have deep, beautiful greens around us, but just like Ireland. I'm living in the north of UK, so that can be. I want that this look will be colorful, but have like kind of two sections. So that's why I'm putting these colors this way, and I will put here some bling bling, so it will be not that. So we have these colors. They come together obviously nice. You know, this kind of combination blue green, and this is very user friendly, I think. I here definitely need some blue though. I just saw it, and that is error of mine using tapes. To know that all of these bands need to be alright. Having that, I'm happy, and I want to go to the Happy Blue, so I will take another brush again, and then I'll wash all of them, and I'll have the satisfaction to wash them. A small brush, and this turquoise blue, I want to put that in the inner corner, kind of. I was having the yellow today and before, and now let's try this. Such a pretty color. I never did something like that before. I was looking today at my looks. Not because I want to look at my looks. I was doing something with my channel, and kind of through that I went through my looks, and I think that I never did something like that, but I'm doing it right now. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing. So I've been using today this shade. This shimmer one, very pretty. I want to use today with this look, maybe this one, because it's like I'll show you. It's a little bit darker base, but it's like taupery, and I really adore that kind of shimmers which are taupery and they are see-through. This is the one which I was using before. It's very beautiful and has more base, and then now such a purple one, more taupery, right? You can build it, but it's more taupery, like, and very pretty. I think that I will stick with the first one for that matter, because I want that it will be just little, but I think that will do. So this first one from the middle line here, kind of make that glimpse of something. How are you doing? How are you doing today? How do you feel the energy of this week? Are you feeling romantic or nervous? How is the energy for this week for you? For me, it's like I was feeling suppressed for first part of the week, and now I feel like kind of like, I don't know, like I win my freedom somehow. I feel also not very beautiful. I need to be honest with you. I had today that kind of feeling like, oh no, oh no, you know. And that gave me a moment like, that was my natural reaction. I found myself in the situation that I saw the mirror by surprise. And I didn't like what I see. I can tell you, I really didn't like it. And that makes me sad for a minute, like I get back to my own hell, to my own personal hell, that I don't accept myself. So I know that my journey with the acceptance and all of this related things, it's not done. Let me take these tapes off. We have that higher point. I'm happy with that. I'm thinking maybe I'll take another tape. I just tape it like this. You know, I got this tape long time ago. I don't know why even I got it. So let's have a use. I'm thinking. Yeah, so I have a crisis today, and I don't know, maybe this is because tomorrow is my birthday. And that kind of thoughts, you know, crossing to my mind that I'm getting old. However, I really like it also. It's, you know, that sounds a bit weird, but I'm so happy that I nailed it, you know. I was first place, life, in first part. What I want to say, life is not promised. I don't know I will have this tomorrow, but if I have it, wow, you know, this is a bunch of time. And I'm on this planet in a bunch of time. Which is really interesting, because I know that not everyone from my friends made it. And I had myself the moments of doubting my sense of my life, to that point that, yeah, to that very intensive point. And that's also a great win that I'm here. Okay, that will be our workspace. Let me try to do the other eye. Sort of, sorry that I'm doing this space up. Yeah, sort of okay. I will not talk to myself too much, or it's the same or not, because for sure it's not. But good enough for good enough. Let's carry on. Wash a little bit my brush. Here are the kind of spongy goodies. I want to use some towel to brush it off. It's not great effective, not to affect too much of, it's not a great effect with this cleaning. I see it's a bunch of product there. So I want different colors. So the shape of brush is great, and this is brush from Jessa. And I'm going to this purple shade now. Look at this deep purple shade. This is just beautiful. I really adore these colors. Intensive, gorgeous, and the shimmers are just like rich, like in that sense that they are looking very expensive. So if you like just glam look with the browns, that palette will do for you. Or you have a fantastic holiday and then you just want to have that day when you have this These shimmers are looking very good. I have here such a blue ends. Just light blue, but just tiny little bit. You can see matchy matchy. Let's try to do the same on the other part. Definitely it's not the same. Far away it's not the same, but we'll try to do the closest kind of. The cousins. They will be the cousins for sure. Put on the blue here, so I'm gonna imitate. Imitate the other side a little bit. Give it this light blue, just the end. That's so pretty. Okay, we try to clean this again. Again, the same. Not very effective, but somehow. Tool. Oh, this is much better now. I did some better job, and I want to go to this. Oh, pink, hot pink, gorgeous. You can use as a blush too. Love it. This kind of pinks. On the cheek. I do. Yes, I do. And I start from up. On this purple. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I love it. Silly me, but I really love it. This is so beautiful. Some little problem with it. It's a mistake here, but this side it will be the camera. Camera ready. This is not great. Maybe I need a little bit space on this side. Like so. Okay. I think that will help. Cleaning a little bit this brush again. That will not bother me now because I'm going to this I don't know, orange or this one. Oh, maybe this one first. This one is like watermelon pink, peachy pink, watermelon pink. I like this shade a lot. This is another like cute one. Definitely go down with this one too. With both sides. I think that much more my intention. Right. Hold your horses. Get another angle. A little bit straight, you know? Not a little bit straight, just straight, just going straight now. You need to forgive me, but I'm not even... Yeah. You know, I will be playing like this and you'll see the result. I'm just making it faster.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated, oh. Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. And we'll dream impossible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream
this is my final look with this gorgeous palette from Nomad Cosmetics. OMG, how I love it. I love everything about it, including the packaging, which I have here. This cut-off packaging and all of these beautiful colors, and oh, I just adore it. Yeah, this is how I finish my look. This is the more artistic. I have more looks with this palette in my channel already, and on my Instagram you can see some looks, like daily looks. Sometimes I'm putting them, just throwing them there, as a more than manifestation of self, of the fight about myself, like, you know, about that art therapy that is going on and it's going strong. And I thanks to everyone who subscribed my channel in the last year. That means a lot to me. That is such a great help in many other things in my life, and I'm very grateful for that. I hope that I bring you sometimes some good vibe or good ideas with the shape, with being bold. We can wash this off, you know. And I hope that you had a fantastic July. It's my birthday month, so I hope that you had like a holiday or a great winter time if you are in Australia or over there, New Zealand, right? And thank you. Grab it if you can. If you don't have it, grab it if you can. If you have it, play with it, because it's so much fun. It's like a rabbit hole for that makeup therapy, you know. You can make it more and more and more and more and more, and every day an extra and funky one. Very, very beautiful. I highly recommend. Meanwhile, I wish you very best. Take care of yourself, just like in plane, and then you can share your love with others. See ya. Bye.